Cayenne pepper, also known as capsicum annuum, is a fiery spice that has been an integral part of global cuisines for centuries. Its vibrant red color and spicy kick not only add flavor and heat to dishes but also offer a multitude of health benefits. From its ability to boost metabolism to its potential to alleviate pain, cayenne pepper is a versatile and powerful ingredient that deserves a place in our diets. In this video, we will explore the compelling reasons why we should consume cayenne pepper, both for culinary enjoyment and its positive impact on our well-being. 1. Culinary delight. Cayenne pepper, with its bold and fiery flavor, is a culinary delight that enhances the taste of various dishes. Its versatility allows it to be used in a wide range of cuisines. From Mexican to Indian, adding a spicy kick to everything from soups and stews to sauces and marinades. The rich, earthy undertones of cayenne pepper can transform a bland meal into a flavorful masterpiece, making it a beloved spice among chefs and home cooks alike. 2. Metabolism booster. One of the most well-known health benefits of cayenne pepper is its ability to boost metabolism. This spice contains a compound called capsaicin, which has been shown to increase thermogenesis, the process by which the body burns calories to produce heat. When consumed, cayenne pepper can temporarily raise body temperature and increase the metabolic rate, leading to the burning of more calories. This effect makes it a valuable tool for those looking to manage their weight and improve their overall metabolic health. 3. Heart health. Cayenne pepper is also associated with several heart-healthy benefits. Capsaicin, the active compound in cayenne, may help lower blood pressure by promoting vasodilation, which relaxes blood vessels and allows for better blood flow. Additionally, it can reduce levels of bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides in the blood, thus lowering the risk of heart disease. Incorporating cayenne pepper into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support cardiovascular health. 4. Pain relief. Beyond its role in spicing up our meals, cayenne pepper has been used for centuries as a natural pain reliever. When applied topically, capsaicin can desensitize pain receptors in the skin, providing relief from conditions like arthritis, muscle soreness, and neuropathic pain. It is often found in topical creams and patches designed to alleviate pain and discomfort. While it may seem counterintuitive to apply a spicy substance for pain relief, the warming sensation it produces can significantly reduce discomfort. 5. Digestive health. Cayenne pepper can also contribute to digestive health. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, which can aid in the breakdown of food and promote better nutrient absorption. Additionally, cayenne pepper may help prevent and alleviate digestive issues such as indigestion and bloating. Its spicy kick can also act as an appetite suppressant, aiding those looking to control their food intake and promote healthy digestion. 6. Immune system support. The high vitamin C content in cayenne pepper contributes to immune system support. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the body against free radicals and boost immune function. Including cayenne pepper in your diet can help fortify your immune system, making you more resilient to illnesses and infections. Cayenne pepper is more than just a spice that adds a fiery kick to our dishes, it is a culinary gem with numerous health benefits. From boosting metabolism and aiding digestion to supporting heart health and providing natural pain relief, cayenne pepper offers a wealth of advantages. Its rich history in traditional medicine and its versatility in the kitchen make it a must-have ingredient for those seeking to enhance both their culinary experiences and overall well-being. So, the next time you reach for that bottle of cayenne pepper, know that you are not only adding flavor but also nourishing your body with a multitude of benefits. Embrace the fiery elixir and let cayenne pepper become a staple in your diet.